everyone. So what I'm actually about to do, I just woke up not too long ago, but I'm actually going to see it snowed outside a little bit last night. Come on here real quick. So I'm going to actually, oh snap, it is ice. I almost busted my butt on this. Look at this. Ice everywhere. But what I'm going to end up doing is actually end up going to grab something to eat real quick in the Z. And then after that, I'm going to get back. And when I get back, the thing is that it's probably hard to see. I'll show you at an angle. All these spots, it's been on the windshield, on the window for a long time. Ever since I got the car. I'm not sure exactly what the previous owner or the dealership did to it. Looks like they didn't even take the film off that well on the inside. But I'm going to try to find out a way to kind of get rid of that so I can have clear windows. Because that to me is like small nitpicky things. But after that, hopefully I'll show you all the process of that, and then we can end up seeing that, like the before and after of it. But over there's the Cressida, as you see. The Cressida, I haven't even spoken about the Cressida really in the video. Currently, I might end up selling it. I'm not completely sure yet. But the thing with the Cressida, it was going to be a drift project, which I was going to do a 1J, 2JZ, or a 1UZ swap in it. But not sure. I might just end up selling it and just focus on the Z for now. And then actually I want a 350Z so I can actually just go to some drift events and hit up some of those and do that. But so I'm actually going to be right back. Go grab some Chipotle, and hopefully I don't run into no black ice. Alright, peace. So I finally made it here and about to get my grub on. At the Chipotle. What up, y'all? Got the Chipotle, about to rub it down. Got my beautiful Z sitting right here. Oh, I love you. So now I'm about to just head back home. I should stop by Pep Boys, but I really want to finish eating that amazing Chipotle. But I'll be back again, y'all. About to head back to the crib. Alright, so now that I was done eating, so what I wanted to do now is that, alright, so I pretty much saw on YouTube, trying to look up a couple videos, like home remedies of getting the acid rain, or whatever you call it, off of the windshield. So, one of them said add a cup of white vinegar, which I do have some white vinegar. It doesn't look like quite a cup, but I'm going to put that in, and a quarter cup of water. So I'm going to do that, go outside and give it a shot. I'm hoping that this stuff works. Oh, also, someone had used this scrub type thing. I'm only going to try it on a piece so I make sure it doesn't actually like scratch up the windshield. We'll see though. I'll just do a little corner piece, test it out, make sure it doesn't scratch it. If it does, actually, you know what? I should try it with paper towels first. So before anything, I could try with paper towels because the person on the video did use paper towels as well. So let's go ahead and pour this into it. Let's see. Let's try to be careful not spill much. And also, this was a spray bottle that I just found in the closet. I rinsed it out and everything. Got all the other chemicals and stuff out. So add the water. Oops. So add some warm water. Let's go ahead, spin this sucker on. Okay, so we got that on. Shake it up a little bit. Should be all set to go. Try this out. It's really bad. So actually, I think I might just start right here and see what happens. I'm going to just spray some on a paper towel right now and just try to scrub a little bit and see exactly what happens. So I'm just spraying it, get the paper towel a little wet, and I'm going to come here and I'll just go circular motions. It's so cold out here. Say you'll have to scrub, but it seems like it's just not coming off. Alright, so I got the scrubber now. I'm gonna see how that works. So I just want to actually spray it on the car right now. Now get this. Alright, so it seems like that even alone didn't really work. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on a couple more spots because I'm scared to hit that sticker. I'm going to try it on the top real quick and then get right back to you all. Alright y'all, so I actually just got back from Pep Boys because AutoZone, unfortunately they didn't have exactly what I wanted. So I'm going to go ahead and try this stuff I got from Pep Boys. Hopefully y'all can see it in the camera here. I'm going to go ahead, try this. It's called water spot removal. Probably won't work entirely, but we'll definitely see. Alright y'all, so didn't really quite go as planned or even as well as I wanted it to. All the water spots actually are still there. I tried a couple different sections and I tried a couple different methods, like you saw the white vinegar with water. I tried the water spot removal. Tired and cold right now, that's why I'm like this right now. But just go ahead, leave a comment below and let me know what I can do better on trying to remove these water spots because they're bugging me. And I want to try to attend a couple of events this year, and that would be really good if I could do that. But until then, dripping out, stay easy, y'all.
It ain't my fault.